Hello everyone, this is Karthik and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand mean latitude and how to find out the mean latitude. So what is mean latitude? MLAT. Basically mean latitude is also known as MLAT. So this is a short version of mean latitude. So mean latitude of two places is the arithmetic mean of the two values of latitude. So what is mean latitude? This is the arithmetic mean of the two values of latitude. Okay, here this is a rule to find out the mean latitude. So what is the formula saying? Where both places A and B are in the same hemisphere. If both places A and B are in the same hemisphere, both north or both south, you add and divide the sum by 2 and retain the name. When we will solve the questions, it would very crystal clear for you. So just remind the rule. Second one is that is where the places A and B are in different hemisphere. If the A and B are in different hemisphere, then suppose one north and other south, then you have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one and divide the answer by 2 and retain the name of the larger one. So this is exercise 12 MLAT. Calculate the MLAT in following cases and we have to find out the MLAT. Okay. So first question is given here: latitude A 45 degree 36 minute north, latitude B 11 degree 44 minute north, and we have to find out the MLAT. So how will we find out? Because latitude of A and latitude of B both is in same hemisphere, northern hemisphere. So we will apply this rule where both places A and B are in the same hemisphere, both north or both south. So this one is both north are in same hemisphere. Then we will add it. So we will add it. So 45 degree 36 minute plus 11 degree 44 minute, that is our 57 degree 20 minute north. And what we have to do after that? You add, we just add it and divide the sum by 2 and we will just divide the answer by 2. So it will become 28 degree 40 minute north. So this is our MLAT. Okay, this one is the answer of first question. And second one is given here. Here latitude of A and B both is in different hemisphere. So if the places A and B are in different hemisphere, one north and other south, then we have to subtract it from the smaller one from the larger one. So we will subtract it smaller one from the larger one. So 52 degree 10 minute minus 24 degree 58 minute, that is 27 degree 12 minute, and retain the name of the larger one. And we have to write the direction. So which direction we will write? The larger one direction. So here it would become south, and divide the answer by 2 and we will divide by 2, that is our 13 degree 36 minute would be our answer, and the direction would be south. In third questions, it is given here. In third questions, latitude A 00 degree 10 minutes south, latitude B 66 degree 59 minute north is given here, and we have to find out the MLAT. So because latitude of A and latitude of B, that is in different hemisphere, and if the latitude A and B is in different hemisphere, then what we have to do? We have to subtract smaller one from the larger one. So we will just subtract it smaller one from the larger one. So 66 degree 59 minute minus 00 degree 10 minute, that is our 66 degree 49 minute. And which direction we will take here? So the larger one direction we will retain here. So the larger one, that is our north. And divide the answer by 2 and we will just divide by 2, that is our 33 degree 24.30 minute, that is your MLAT. Fourth questions, latitude of A 79 degree 14 minutes south, latitude B 62 degree 23 minutes south is given here, and we have to find out the MLAT. Because latitude of A and B is in same hemisphere, so we will add it. So just add it 79 degree 14 minute plus 62 degree 23 minute is equal to 141 degree 37 minute south, and divide the answer by 2. So that is our 70 degree 48.5 minute. Okay, so you have to just remind the formula. First rule is where both places A and B are in same hemisphere. If the both places latitude of A and latitude of B is in same hemisphere, then we have to just add it and divide the answer by 2, and whatever we are getting it, that is our MLAT. And if the latitude of A and latitude of B is in different hemisphere, then we will subtract it, smaller one from the larger one, and divide the answer by 2, and whatever we are getting it, just write down, and we will take the direction in the larger one. Because here 52 degree 10 minutes south, which is larger as compared to 24 degree 58 minute north, so we will take the direction of south. So by the help of the rule you can find out the MLAT, and this is very basic, and in plane sailing you need to find out the MLAT, which we will cover in further videos. For daily quick tips, follow me on Instagram, link in description. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.